18 foods that protect eyes and repair vision. While I can't watch or play videos, I can certainly provide you with information about foods that are believed to support eye health and vision. Here are some foods that are often considered beneficial for eye health. Carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A, a key nutrient for maintaining healthy vision. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are high in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants associated with a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, trout, and tuna are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for eye health. Eggs. Contain lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, all crucial for maintaining eye health. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are rich in vitamin C, which may reduce the risk of developing cataracts and slow down AMD. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants that may help protect the eyes. Almonds. Contain vitamin E, which may help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Broccoli. A good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, important for maintaining eye health. Sweet potatoes. High in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Brussels sprouts. Contain antioxidants and vitamin C, which can contribute to eye health. Sunflower seeds. Rich in vitamin E and zinc, both of which are important for maintaining healthy eyes. Turkey. Contains zinc, which is beneficial for maintaining the health of the retina. Papaya. A good source of vitamin C and other antioxidants. Corn. Contains lutein and zeaxanthin, supporting eye health. Tomatoes. High in lycopene, which may help prevent light-induced damage to the retina. Bell peppers. Contain vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Avocado. Contains lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E, supporting eye health. Dark chocolate. In moderation, dark chocolate with high cocoa content contains flavonoids, which may contribute to better vision. Remember, while a healthy diet is essential for overall well-being, it's also important to protect your eyes from excessive sunlight, follow good eye hygiene practices, and have regular eye checkups. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.